Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jeff the Tech Blazer coming at you today with a quick unboxing of the brand new iPhone SE. A coworker of mine was nice enough to let me borrow it and do an unboxing, so here we go. Alright, so this is the 2020 iPhone SE in black. This is the 128 gigabyte model. Well, let's go ahead and crack this guy open. Nice packaging, typical what you would expect from Apple. 128 gigabytes. I believe this one is, I think, $450 if you get the 128 gigabyte version, which you should. It's 2020. Nobody should use a 64 gigabyte one unless you use cloud storage, but it costs extra. All right. Designed by Apple in California. Do we have stickers? There they are. Alright. SIM ejector tool, I think I saw. Yeah. Ooh. That is nice looking right there. Alright. That looks pretty clean. Nice black. This does support wireless charging. It's got a glass back. That's a 12 megapixel rear camera. I believe the front one is 7 megapixel. Let's turn this guy on. This can shoot 4K, 60 frames per second. It is IP67 water resistant. It's got a 4.7 inch display. There you go, nice and bright. It does have all of those, those big thick bezels that, if you're looking for a more modern version of the iPhone, this might not be it, just because of the look of it, but it does have the A13 Bionic chip, so it does have the newer chipset. Not bad at all. Cameras on it are pretty good modern cameras. Again, it's got the water resistant, the fast charging. So if you don't mind the slightly old school look, this could definitely be the iPhone you're looking for, especially with that cheaper price. So, okay, get the light out of there. Yeah. Alright, we also have that smaller charging brick, typical of Apple. Got the headphones in here. USB-C connector, I believe, on these guys. They sound decent. I prefer AirPods myself, but not bad. Charging cable, typical Lightning. And I think that's all we got on this one. Alright, well that was my real quick unboxing of the new 2020 iPhone SE. I'm not going to daily drive this. Again, my coworker was nice enough to let me borrow it so I could unbox it. I use the 11 Pro Max typically, so having this little guy in the hand, it actually doesn't feel bad. It's actually not a bad size, so maybe when the iPhone 12 Pro comes out, I'll go for the smaller model. But it does have a good feel in the hand, actually, especially with the glass back on it. And I thought those larger bezels would definitely not be a good look, especially in 2020 with how most phones, including iPhones, look nowadays. But it's actually not bad. But especially for the price, I think this one will definitely sell. Not necessarily my type of iPhone, but it's not bad. If you like this one, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.